This video is an ultimate guide to the 10 best things to do in Lufkin, Texas. 1. Ellen Trout Zoo. Start your Lufkin adventure at the Ellen Trout Zoo, a beloved East Texas treasure that houses over 700 animals representing more than 120 species. This accredited zoo consistently ranks among the top family attractions in the region. The beautifully landscaped grounds feature shaded pathways that make exploring comfortable even on warm days. Kids will be thrilled by the variety of animals, from majestic giraffes and playful otters to fascinating reptiles and exotic birds. You can see white rhinos, tigers, jaguars, hippos, Galapagos tortoises, and sakis. At the end of your tour, ride the pre-Civil War replica miniature train that chugs around the lake. The zoo is open Tuesday through Sunday. This is a must-see for animal lovers and families. 2. Texas Forestry Museum. Next, head to the Texas Forestry Museum, one of the largest museums of its kind in the United States. This free attraction offers a comprehensive look at the forestry heritage that built East Texas. The museum features fascinating indoor exhibits showcasing vintage logging equipment, tools, and artifacts. You will see a sawmill town exhibit, a paper mill room, a logging locomotive, and a 100-foot fire tower. Interactive displays bring history to life for younger visitors who can engage in hands-on activities. The museum teaches how we grow, harvest, transport, and use trees in our daily lives. It also features an urban wildscape trail with a nature playscape and a Gaga ball pit. This is both educational and entertaining for adults and families alike. 3. Museum of East Texas. Visit the Museum of East Texas, housed in a beautiful 1906 historic church that was transformed into an arts and cultural center. 7 local women had a dream to convert this former house of worship into a bustling educational hub. The museum features an extensive collection of paintings and sculptures by East Texas artists, as well as by American, Latin American, and European masters. Rotating exhibits ensure there's always something new to see. The museum offers a variety of public programs throughout the year, including lectures, workshops, and children's events. Admission is completely free. You can easily spend an hour here exploring the galleries. Don't miss their big annual event, the Festival of Trees, which starts in November. It's a cultural gem in the heart of downtown. 4. Naranjo Museum of Natural History. Step back in time at the Naranjo Museum of Natural History, a hidden gem that houses thousands of fossils and dinosaur bones. This eclectic museum offers an engaging exploration of Earth's geological history and prehistoric life. You will see one of the best displays of Precambrian fossils, dinosaur bones, precious stones, and gems. The museum serves an estimated 60,000 children from 200 schools in the East Texas region. It's a family-friendly attraction that educates kids about the world's natural history. The museum was established in 2011 by the Naranjo Foundation and continues to promote excellence in natural history education. Admission is very affordable. Dinosaur enthusiasts of all ages will be thrilled by this collection. 5. Atkinson Candy Company. Satisfy your sweet tooth at the Atkinson Candy Company factory store. You are likely familiar with their famous Chico sticks or the delightfully crunchy peanut butter bars. These crave-worthy confections are still made in Lufkin, where Atkinson's was founded about 80 years ago. While you cannot tour the main production facility, you can shop at the on-site factory store. Fill your bag with anise squares, butterscotch, caramel sweets, and other Texas traditions. The store is open Monday through Friday. It is a sweet stop that the whole family will enjoy. Stock up on goodies for the road trip home. These candies are a true taste of Texas nostalgia. 6. Downtown Art and Shops. explore the historic downtown area, where you will find charming shops, cafes, and the impressive Lufkin Mural Walk. The vibrant murals depict the city's rich history and cultural heritage, making it a great spot for photos. You can support local artisans at Salt and Honey, a cherished permanent hotspot for handcrafted gifts. Downtown also features the Pitzer Garrison Convention Center and the Angelina Arts Alliance. On your stroll, you will see classic historic buildings and hear the energy of a small town. It's a perfect place for a leisurely afternoon. Grab a coffee and take your time wandering the sidewalks. 7. Pines Theater. Catch a show at the historic Pines Theater, a beautifully restored 1925 venue that originally showed silent films. This 459-seat, multi-use facility features a classic Art Deco marquee that glows with bright neon lights. After a long history of vacancy, the theater's recent renovation has brought it back to life. You can enjoy live performances by renowned musicians, blockbuster movies, and community events year-round. Artists such as David Phelps and Crystal Gale have graced audiences with their performances in its charming, historic interior. The theater is a testament to the community's dedication to the arts. Check their calendar for upcoming shows before your trip. A night at the Pines is a true East Texas cultural experience. 8. Ratcliff Lake. Drive about 30 minutes to Ratcliff Lake Recreation Area, a scenic spot located within the Davy Crockett National Forest. The lake itself is perfect for swimming during warmer months, with a designated beach area that's safe for families. The crystal clear waters are refreshing, and the surrounding pine forest provides plenty of shade. Hiking enthusiasts will appreciate the well-maintained trails that circle the lake and wind through the forest. The towering pines, diverse wildlife, and peaceful forest sounds create an immersive outdoor experience. You can also enjoy camping, fishing, and kayaking here. Pack a cooler and spend a full day in the beautiful East Texas wilderness. 9. Bodacious BBQ. Finally, you have to eat like a local. Lufkin offers a diverse culinary scene that highlights East Texas flavors. For authentic Texas barbecue, head to Bodacious BBQ, a local favorite located on West Frank Avenue. You can order tender brisket, juicy sausage, and all the classic sides like potato salad and beans. If you are craving Tex-Mex, try Posados Cafe or Lindo Mexico Restaurant. For a quick classic burger, Ray's Drive-In has been serving delicious burgers, crispy fries, and creamy milkshakes since 1976. Grab a meal and savor the warm, friendly hospitality that defines this East Texas gem. 10. Texas State Forest Festival. Finally, if your visit lands in mid-September, do not miss the Texas State Forest Festival. This annual 4-day event celebrates Lufkin's deep connection to the timber industry with lumberjack shows, carnival rides, magic shows, and live music. The festival has grown over 4 decades to include new attractions, a petting zoo, and food vendors. Proceeds from the event benefit local nonprofits, so the money stays right here in the community. It's a lively, family-friendly celebration that honors the spirit of the Piney Woods. Check online for exact dates and plan your trip accordingly. This festival is a true East Texas tradition.